Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and excuse me, today I've just quickly come on to share this new toy, I suppose, that I've gotten. I have heard a few people on about these, but I didn't really give it much thought. However, I've decided to get one and they are amazing. I don't know if you call them like snap fasteners or popper fasteners, but I've gotten like a kit, and as you can see you get absolutely loads of different colours. You get your little kind of tool that you need. This one is to poke the hole into things, and the screwdriver is to change the pieces, because you get extra pieces, I suppose, if they wear and tear and stuff eventually. The only thing that I didn't get with it was this box, but I had this already. So all I did was I just put all the different colours in their own little sections. But you get absolutely, you must get a few hundred of these little fasteners. And it's so easy to do. So basically what it creates is your own little popper fastener. Now how cool is that? You know, little envelopes, you want to put little gifts in, I would imagine your journals, mini albums, absolutely everything. I think it's so much quicker and easier to use than magnets, because they can be fiddly to get on, and even Velcro dots, I think they're better than them, to be truthful. So I've just done some. This one, I put this one on the wrong way, but it does still open, but it's a little bit tighter. It even works on vellum. Okay, so no problem there. Vellum, and it's nice and tidy inside. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to show you how to use them. I will put the link in the description of where I got this from, so you can just click on it and order one if you like. So I've just cut out this little envelope die that I've got, just to demonstrate it and show you how I do it. I've only used it a few times, but I love it, honestly. I wish I'd got one ages ago. So I'm just going to quickly give this a fold. I'm just going to snip them ends off a little bit. Okay, so I'm not going to glue it together until I put the fastener on. So that's my little envelope. So we're going to choose a colour. I think I'm going to go for this light blue colour. So what you're going to need, I'm going to show you. You're going to need 2 of those little ones that have the little like prong sticking out. Okay, they're exactly the same size, so just grab 2 of them. You are also going to need, if I've got the right ones, oh yeah, you can see, I'll just move them because we don't need them, so I don't want to confuse you. Right, so basically you're going to need these. One of them sticks out, you can see there where that sticks out, and this one has just got like a kind of a recess in it. Alright, so you need one of them, each of them, and you need 2 of the little ones with the prong sticking out. Okay, so what you need to do is, I've just got a little foam thing to protect the table. Take the little pokey stick that you get with the kit. Now I know on this envelope I kind of want mine roughly about there, so I'm just going to poke a hole through, okay, just straight through, and then I'm going to grab a pencil. I'm going to close that, and I'm just going to mark in that little hole with the pencil. I can see the mark, and then I'm going to go straight through there. So I've got my 2 holes, okay? So for the top, what you're going to do is take the one that sticks up, okay? And one of the ones with the little pin things sticking through. So pop this through here like that. Then the one that sticks up, you're going to pop it in and just push it in. You'll feel it kind of push in so it's secure, and it looks like that. Then what you're going to do is take this. Now this has got like a kind of recess, this black piece, so it cups this completely. Can you see that? It needs to actually sit in there. So get that sat in there and then just press. Okay, and there you go. That's that first bit in secure. It's tuck away, it's pushed the little pointy thing so there's nothing sticking out. Then go to this one. Now you have to think that you need this bit to be here because it's got to close like this. So this piece we need inside this time. Okay, then pop this on like that. Okay, same thing again, pop this black piece over the top of that and then just press. There you go. There is your little fastener, and that's it. How quick, easy and cool is that? So I can just quickly glue the little envelope together, and you can use these on fabric. So if you make stuff, or you know, something of your clothing needs a new fastener, you can use them on fabric. And it looks really professional as well, doesn't it? I think absolutely brilliant. So I just wanted to share them with you because I think they are brilliant for crafters, because quick and easy, and with all the colours that you get in this, I'm sure there'll be, you know, 90% of the time you're going to be able to colour match your projects. And there's the one with vellum. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description. So thanks for watching, take care and bye for now.